Today we're making pastitsio, Greek pasta dish. Start with a little bit Greek olive oil. Put aside 1 chopped onion, 1 whole minced garlic. Now mix him up and cook him a little bit. Put aside your minced meat, break him and keep going till it's turning brown. 1 cup of red wine and leave him cooking couple minutes. Add aside your crushed tomatoes, a little bit sloppy. Half a teaspoon white pepper, a little bit cinnamon, a little bit nutmeg also, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, a little bit thyme, and 3 or 4 bay leaves. Get 1 bunch fresh parsley, chop him and put him inside also. Mix him up very good. Now turn him down the gas and leave him simmer 10 minutes. When he's finished, turn him off and take him out the bay leaves. Get your pasta, put him some hot water, a little bit salt. Now cook him, then strain him when he's done. Get 2 Greek eggs, separate the white and the yellow, 300 gram cheese, grate him and put one hand the side. Get 1 dish, put your pasta inside, add inside the 2 white the eggs, put him your yellow cheese. Now crush inside 200 grams Greek feta. Mix him up very good, add your meat at the top, spread him for the sauce. Put inside your butter, melt him, put inside your flour, keep going until it's like a paste. Now get your milk, roughly 1 liter, don't stop mixing and keep putting him inside. Add your yellow the egg, little bit more nutmeg, put the rest of cheese. When you stick like this, it's done. Now put your sauce to top, do your crust to top. Now put him in the oven, 165 degrees Celsius. Take her out when she's golden brown. Now leave her sleeping 20 minutes. Cut her up, pick up 1 piece. Look how beautiful she is. It's bloody beautiful, mate.